Alright guys, almost time for the national test.
In the report that are laid out are pretty egregious, and no one should have to go through those. And so, you know, I know that there's a lot of celebration, especially on the left, that Andrew Cuomo is leaving, but, you know,
I gotta go quick here.
A man to represent us, and he
94.5.
And we had a lot of Democratic leaders in New York State who have failed us, and Republican
I'll try
KSTP.
KS95.
Many people in prison if you go through the list. So, Tish James has an interesting future ahead. I think she's been slowly and steadily doing the work in Brooklyn.
Okay, got about a minute. Got 1 minute till the national test.
Citywide, and now it's statewide. We have to remember, Melissa, we've never had a black female governor in the history of the United States. So if Tish James does decide to run for governor, even though she's won statewide as AG, as the first black woman to ever do so in the state of New York, she was done up the battle. Because we don't have precedent, many people still think that this report
okay.
which Andrew Cuomo is tactically saying that he agrees with. And there's a generational gap there seems to be in believing Andrew Cuomo and dealing with as well. And there's a generational gender.
1 minute till the 1 minute till the American goes till America goes burr. How 120, here we go. About to relay here. We also know that women can be upholders of patriarchy just as well as men, especially white women historically. So we'll see if it's a Hochul versus James primary, how that outcome shakes out if those two emerge as the two leaders. So in many ways, the culture in Albany that Andrew Cuomo didn't create, just expanded in many ways. Okay, come on.
Not just because of the men who like dominance and ruling by fear and power.
There we go. Whoa! Whoa! They're both going! Uh-oh, no, don't do it! Oh!
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation.
There goes the WEA!
Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
There goes that.
If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
That's WJON. And there we go! Also, here's the WEA alert. See, wait, that's weird. Should have been sent out a state and local alert. This is a test of the National Wireless Emergency Alert System. No action is needed. Boom! Alright, well, there you have it. The national test of the Emergency Alert System of 2021. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys later.